Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good night. How are you? Thank you. I'm sorry. I don't know. It's hot. Have a nice day. See you later. I'm fine, thank you. That's funny. I'm thirsty. Yes, please. It's okay. How old are you? I'm sad. Where are you from? What's wrong? I'm Newcastle. Nice to meet you. Take care. What is this? This is an apple. Stop it. Let's play. That's great. Goodbye. Let me help you. I'm 10 years old. I'm tired. I'm happy. I'm hungry. I'm angry. I'm scared. You're welcome. Wait for me. Just a minute. Get well soon. I miss you. I love you. Hurry up. It's cold. It's time to go. No, thank you. Excuse me. Take a bath. I like it. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comments what you thought. See you in the next one.